Hey, and congratulations on reaching the final 25th lesson in learning C++. In this lesson, we won't be learning anything new. Instead, we'll summarize what we've studied together and decide where to go next. C++ itself possesses vast functionality and a set of capabilities. Throughout the course, you've learned the fundamentals of working with this language, covering topics such as variables, conditions, arrays, loops, and many other concepts. It's worth noting that all the constructs we've studied are not exclusive to the C++ language, they are also utilized in many other popular programming languages. I want to remind you that this course is foundational, and there is still much for you to explore in this language on your own. However, you can already confidently write your own small to medium-sized programs. Right now, you can start creating your own projects. All these projects will be console-based and will be executed through the command line or terminal. The next step for you will be to learn how to work with databases and to master building a user interface. Once you acquire the skills of working with databases and creating a polished interface for your projects, you'll be able to develop projects on any topic you desire. Soon, I will release a comprehensive course on this programming language designed for those who have already mastered the basics of the language's syntax. The course program is extensive, and I am proud to present it to you. That concludes everything from me. If you enjoyed this course, please like and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet again, goodbye.